So Blackview is expected to launch the Rock 2 very soon. The Rock 2 is one of the devices in the newly announced Rock lineup. The Rock series consists of the Blackview Rock 1, the Rock 1 Pro, and the Rock 2. The Rock 2, according to Blackview, would be a 5G rugged phone. The Rock 1 is a budget rugged phone. The Rock 1 Pro is expected to be a little bit better than the Rock 1, but there are no official details of the Rock 1 Pro yet and the Rock 2, unfortunately. But we may see these devices before the end of the year or maybe early next year. Anyway, this is the official design of the Blackview Rock 2. As you can see, the device would obviously arrive in two colorways. You can tell by the stripes on the back of the phone. The camera lenses that I see here are two cameras. Okay, two camera lenses on the back. So it has a dual rear camera setup, and there will be one on the front which is hidden in the punch hole. As you can see, the phone has a punch hole display. The device also appears to have a metal frame, which is expected because it's a rugged phone. They are designed to be very durable. And it also has rubber corners, which helps to reduce shock when you drop your device. It helps the device be, shock proof. Anyway, the Rock 2, even though its specs are not revealed, is expected to be IP68 and IP69K rated. And it's going to be military grade standard 810H certified since it's a rugged phone. So it is expected to be waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and it is designed to be able to survive harsh conditions and environments because it's a rugged phone. So these are just the details, guys. Unfortunately, there are no official specs yet, so I don't know what the Blackview Rock 2 would pack currently. I don't know its processor or anything about its specs because they are not reviewed yet, but we may get to see the official details revealed very soon, most likely before the end of the year, and I'll share them with you. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So this is what I have for you guys. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.